Everyone, I am Madhu and I welcome you all to this spoken English web series. I hope you enjoyed the first video, part 1, how to use imperatives in our day-to-day communication. So, previous class lo manam what are imperatives ani? Why do we need to use imperatives ani? అలాగే when to use imperatives, where to use imperatives, and finally how to learn imperatives అనే దగ్గర మనం ఆగడం జరిగింది. సో ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో మనం ఏం చెప్పామంటే అందరు కూడా A to Z ఇంపెరటివ్స్ లిస్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయమని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సో హోప్ యూ ప్రిపేర్డ్. అండ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ కన్నా మనకి ఏంటంటే యాక్చువల్గా యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ఇట్ అండి. ఎక్కువగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం. సో అలాంటి ప్రాక్టీస్ ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఒక వర్బ్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, లిసన్ టు మీ అండ్ డోంట్ లిసన్ టు ఎనీబడి ఎల్స్. జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఫన్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్. సో ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్ తీసుకున్న వర్బ్ ఏంటి? లిసన్. అలాగే నౌ వి విల్ సీ హౌ ఆర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్. నౌ వాట్ ఆల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇస్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ ఎ వర్బ్ and Sirisha will tell a positive sentence and you will go with a negative, right? For example, the first thing is like I am giving the verb call.
Call me before 5:30 p.m.
Okay.
Don't call me every time.
Okay, that's fine. So the next one is come.
Come to my home. Don't come late.
Okay, that's fine. And then watch.
Watch news channels. Don't watch more movies.
Yeah, right. And the next one is speaking. Speak.
Speak in English regularly.
Okay.
Don't speak lies.
Don't speak lies or don't tell lies or don't speak what do we call don't speak Telugu regularly in our English classroom. Okay, right? So now read.
Read newspapers regularly. Don't read novels.
Okay. Practice general statements like come, call me before 5 o'clock and don't call me after 10 o'clock. She will scold me. So this is how we do. And now what we'll do is we'll go with A to Z. Let us see how we can do it in a better way, right? All I have to do is accept.
Accept the gift. Don't accept his proposal.
Right, that's good. And then the next, allow.
Allow me to go out. Don't allow to go children's to park.
Yeah, that's fine. And then arrange.
Arrange a party. No, don't arrange the party right now.
Yeah, that's good. Are you busy today? Right, okay. So the next one is we'll go with be. Like with be, we have a lot of verbs, but mostly we use like be careful or be cheerful, be sportive, like that. And you can, my word for you is believe.
Believe me. Bring something to eat me.
Okay.
Don't believe others more.
Yes. So next one, we'll go with C. Ready? Call.
Call me later. Don't call every time.
Right. And check. I think you have seen how our students are responding by saying positive and negatives. Verb తీసుకున్నాం, or positive and negative sentence తీసుకున్నాం. Right? Now, we will see how to prepare any kind of recipes. So ముందుగా మనకి ప్రాక్టీస్ కోసం now I'm so thirsty and it's hot summer. Yeah, I don't know how to prepare lime juice. So ఒకసారి Sirisha is going to give some directions and instructions to how to prepare lime juice. ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. What I have to do?
You have to just cut the lemon.
Where is the lemon first of all?
Just bring the lemon.
Take a lemon.
Take a lemon.
Then?
And cut it.
Yes. Yeah, that's what I told Sirisha. We should know some words. Okay, vocabulary is very important. We say that is squeeze. Squeeze the lemon. If you don't know, you can say mix it also, no issue. So squeeze the lemon, then add
a little bit of salt.
A pinch of salt. See again, a pinch of salt. Then, yeah, I don't like salt. Then what I have to do?
Then you can add sugar.
Sugar, right? Add sugar. Then it's summer. What we have to do?
What? Ice.
Put some ice cubes, then
Then mix it thoroughly.
mix it and stir it well. Serve it cool. Okay, this is how we have to do. What all you have to do is, let me tell you once again. Take a lemon, cut the lemon, squeeze the lemon, add a pinch of salt, add sugar, put some ice cubes, stir it well, and serve it cool. See how easy it is. What we have to do is simply use imperatives. This is how we can practice.
రైట్ డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఫస్ట్ మనం స్మాల్ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ చూసాము. అదేవిధంగా ఇప్పుడు లైమ్ జ్యూస్ ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలో చూసాము. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ నౌ ఐ గేవ్ టాస్క్ టు ఆల్ మై స్టూడెంట్స్. సో మరి ఇప్పుడు జ్యోత్స్న మన ముందుకి షీఈస్ కమింగ్ విత్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ రెసిపీ. Do you want to know what that recipe is? Come on, watch this.
Hello. Now I would like to tell you about an extremely popular dish. I think you're all in excitement to know about that dish, right? Well, I don't think to put you in suspense. I will tell you. That's a hotty samosa. Well, let's discuss about ingredients. The ingredients required are all-purpose flour, boiled potatoes, coriander leaves, salt, oil, and masala. Now I will tell you how to prepare our hotty dish. Firstly, take a bowl and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and add oil, a pinch of salt, and carom seeds. Now, make it as a soft dough and rest it for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will prepare stuff. How to prepare stuff means, firstly take a pan. Now, the potatoes which we have boiled in the past, take that potatoes and make it in a paste. Now add salt, oil, and all masalas, coriander leaves, and mix it. Finally, the dough which we have prepared, take out that dough and make it in a circle shape. Cut it in an oval and add oil in all the edges and overlap the edges. In between the hollow, add the stuff and press it. In the meanwhile, take a bowl and before taking bowl, on the stove and take a pan and add oil in it. Heat it for 15 minutes. The dough which you have prepared, put that dough in the stove and fry it until it becomes a brownish color. Finally, our hotty dish is prepared. Serve that in our bowl. Okay. Well, I think it's Corona time is going on. You all are free in homes. Okay, why don't you have some fun by preparing these all dishes? Okay, try it in your home and have fun.